Hi guys, what's up? It's me again, Marcy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd like to make an update about the tsunami that happened yesterday. Actually, hindi talaga nangyari yung tsunami kasi hindi siya dumating sa Hawaii, but unfortunately dumating ata siya sa Japan. Pero dito sa Hawaii, hindi siya nangyari. Kasi pag nangyari siya, it's gonna be a disaster. Maraming mga masasalanta, especially sa Waikiki kasi coastal area siya. Yesterday, maraming lumikas, nag-evacuate sila, and super bad yung traffic yesterday. I was stuck in traffic for like ilang oras ata yun, mga 2 oras ata. Fortunately, hindi talaga dumating yung tsunami. So, pasalamat na lang. So, yun nga. Hawaii now is under tsunami advisory na lang siya. Hindi na siya warning. Kasi nga, inalis na ng government yung warning. Nalusaw na yung chance na magka-tsunami ito sa Hawaii. Grabe yung prayer namin kahapon na wag mangyari yung tsunami. Kasi nakakatakot talaga. And it's very first time in my life na makarinig ng tsunami warning. Yung alarm system ng Hawaii is keep on buzzing. Nagbibigay talaga sila ng warning. It's obviously scary, pero we're so glad na hindi nangyari. That's it. And hopefully hindi na siya mangyari ulit kasi nakakatakot. Just giving you an update and everything is good now. Back to normal na yung lahat na nagtatrabaho sa Waikiki and everything is back to normal na. So, that's it for today's video. Bye!